GREYDON Incorporated has introduced two new printers designed to mount to taped bag loaders, such as the Cryovac Bagger. These new printers are called CODE series of printers and come in two models. The model GC220 CRA is a wet ink printer using a GI22 ink cartridge and rubber type. The model GB602 CRA is a programmable inkjet printer utilizing ink and is ideal where programmability is required. Both printers mount below the load table out of the way of the operator. The bags are printed as they move upward from the box below to the load area. The key to getting good print is getting product control. The CODE system with its hold down device keeps the bags flat against a platen and very printable. The key to getting good print registration is to trigger the printer at the right time. The photocell on the CODE senses the gap in the shingled bag, stops the advance of the bag, and precisely at the right location for printing. The principle behind the CODE series. Once the bags are threaded and the leading edge of tape is wound around the pneumatically driven pulleys, the bags will advance until the limit switch is depressed. However, the photocell will also stop the advancement when the trailing edge of the bag is moved away from the hold-down device. Once this happens, the bags are stopped and printed. The GC220 will stamp the bag with a rubber plate, and the GB602 will make a short traverse sideways to allow the inkjet printer to print. The key components are: 1. A new, more accurate limit switch, which replaces the one normally supplied with the bagger. The switch stops the leading edge of the bag more accurately. 2. A hold-down device designed to keep the bags flat for printing and keep them aligned. 3. 2 split air knives designed to move the bag out of the way after printing and exposing the full face of the bag below, preparing it for the next print. 4. A photo sensor that detects the trailing edge of the bag and is key to registered printing. 5. A PLC with solenoid valve that gives the bag greater speed. Now, in the past, when a printer was mounted below the load area, all the bags that were above the printer would not get printed. This is no longer the case. With an extension to the leading edge tape, the bags will start below the printer and will start a feed and print process until the first bag arrives at the limit switch, thus reducing waste. Other printers that have been mounted below were triggered by a remote switch activated by an operator. The hope was that the bag was in the right place for printing. This form of guesswork resulted in some bags with no print and other bags with 2 prints. The features and benefits: 1. 100% reliable readable codes. 2. Printer is out of the way of the operator. 3. Programmability achieved with the GB602 model. 4. Reduced waste. The end result was that with most printers being so unreliable, the meat packer, whose mandate is a code on every package, was forced to have an individual at the end of the production line with a label dispenser. This is no longer necessary. For more information, please call GREYDON at 717-848-3875.